Hello friends, welcome back to another video on this channel. In today's video I will show you face detecting light switch. So it all starts with the computer which is running OpenCV. As you can see here, it is running a Python program which detects whether a face is there or not. It then writes it here and then it sends it via serial to Arduino. The Arduino then is connected to a relay. It is connected to the switch which controls the light of the house. So as you can see, when I click this switch, the main big light turns on and clicking that turns it off. Now currently the privacy protection on my laptop is actually there, so the system thinks that there is no face. However, now okay, let me just keep like that. So as you can see, it now detects my face and it can write it here and it sends it to it. And again, if I close the privacy protection shutter, as you can see, the big light turns off, and again opening it, the thing turns on the big light. So the way this works, I will show you the code now. If I stop this, so all the code really has it has CV, time, CV2, which is the OpenCV libraries, the time and serial. So I'll leave this code down in the description. Basically, only thing you have to change is actually change this part here, the serial port to which the Arduino is connected. So all it is doing is it's just using OpenCV to detect whether a face is there, and then if there is a face, no face, then it writes 0 to the serial, and if there is at least one face, then it writes 1 to the serial. Then we have the Arduino program. So if I open up Arduino IDE here, this is the program that is running on the Arduino Nano. It is really quite simple. So first of all, we have the incoming byte. This is the data that is coming in, and this is the pin of the relay. So here we are starting the serial. This is for the inbuilt LED. Then we are setting each to low when we start. Then if we move down here, this is where we are setting the incoming byte here to serial.read. Then we are setting if incoming byte is equal to 49. So for Arduino IDE, 49 is actually 1. Here we are stopping the serial read. We are setting the 13 pin to high, which is the inbuilt LED, as well as the relay pin to high. We will wait for 3 seconds and then we will start the serial again. So this is done in case. So what it normally does, if we do not run these two commands, the serial.end and serial.begin, it will actually just show it will keep logging it up. So if we have the 1 coming for say 10 times, it will actually make it 30 seconds. So it will log up the 10 times. Now since the Python program constantly sends the 1, it basically just logs up and makes it so that the light turns off after a very long time if multiple times the ones are sent. So this is this basically just like ignores all the serial inputs and just does it for 3 seconds and then turns it on again. And this is again here 48 says 0 for Arduino IDE. So this just sets the everything to low, so it turns it off. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.